Meta just held their Connect event where they showed off a bunch of new things related to the Quest 3, from accessories, games, and more. This video is to uncover everything that they announced in this event for the Quest 3. And if you do end up enjoying today's video, consider subscribing. Let's go. They showed off a new AR Lego game, another new game they showed off called BAM for AR, Les Mills Body Combat. They showed off some Stranger Things AR gameplay. They showed off their new assisted scene capture. By simply looking around your room, it's registering and capturing and making a mesh render of the room around you. They showed off some similar features to the Vision Pro announcement, such as having a giant screen in your physical room, also having sports stats and other 3D variables such as different game cams or sports stats around the screen. They announced that Xbox Cloud Gaming is coming to the Quest in December. It allows you to stream Xbox games and the Xbox Game Pass to your Quest. They said you can play on a massive screen wherever you go. You can also drop virtual objects into your physical space using Augments. Augments is coming next year. Augments allow you to place things around your house and it will remember where it is and stay there. Pancake lenses paired with new displays. So it is dual screens, not one screen, 110 horizontal FOV. They showed Asgard's Wrath 2 gameplay, then some Assassin's Creed Nexus gameplay. They also announced that Roblox was launching today. They announced X Stadium shows fully immersive sports, allowing you to sit courtside at NBA or be on the ring of the octagon. It was announced that a lot of new Horizon content is coming. Also, a lot of business tools are launching next month for Quest for Business, which allows you to take mixed reality and bring it to your organization at scale. It's compatible with Microsoft Intune, VMware, Workspace ONE, Microsoft 365, so that includes Word and Excel, and some other productivity apps. Pre-orders begin right now, $499 for the 128GB model and $650 for the 512GB model, and they will be shipped on October the 10th when I'll be doing my unboxing video. They also showed games like Stranger Things can do VR and AR. They confirmed that double tapping the side of the Quest 3 remains, and it will still bring up AR capabilities. They also announced that when you actually put on the headset, augmented reality will be what you see first, rather than your virtual space. Also, the Quest 3 can now create room scale boundaries for you automatically. There's an all new range of accessories, from face guards, straps, hand straps, cables, cases, and it comes with new colors: white, black, orange, and blue. Also, a new charging dock coming in at $149. And then to finish off the talk, they had a dig at Apple by saying the words spatial computing headset. A couple of extra things. There's actually buttons on the inside of the Quest that allows for glasses users to create space by pushing the sill back. Also, the controllers have a new pressable button that opens the compartments. Subscribe to stay up to date with all VR and AR news. I appreciate all your support. I hope you have a fantastic day, and let me know in the comments, are you excited for the Quest 3? Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and peace.